Good morning, everybody. Everybody, on welcome to my weekly commentary for the week, my weekly forecast. And while I'm recording this, today is Wednesday, 18th of February. So what I'm anticipating for this week, I have not actually placed a trade since on Monday. Monday was a bank holiday, so there was no need for me to place a trade. So what am I expecting for this week? But more to can see last week, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, and this is a Monday. From what you can see last week, price drops massively on Monday, and then throughout the rest of the week, we actually entered into a range. So for my islands, what am I going to be doing this week? For me, the extra is still very, very bearish. It's still expanding the downside, regardless of this move or this move that's happening. So me, the extra is still bearish. So I'm going to be looking for sales. My idea is going to be majorly on sales. But I'm not anticipating for this week. Or you can see right here. Market is coming down. My anticipation for this week. You guys are seeing this red candle right here. This is a bearish breaker. So I'm gonna delineate this with this rectangle box. I want to show you guys something. This red candle right here. It's a bearish breaker. If I go down to the forward time frame, you can see it very clearly. This is a high. This is a higher high. Price broke to the downside. So these 3 consecutive red candles, they are what? Bearish breakers. So what am I looking for this week? My ideology is this. I'm going to be marking at this bearish breaker. I'm going to be measuring it. We have the opening at the red candle at 97,519. And we have the close of the red candle at 97,381. There. So we have the main threshold, which is the middle of the candle, which is a 50%. We have it right here. Then as well as you cool. Add here. Now what am I measuring this? Well, this breakup bill criteria is going to my 3D for this week, or my premise or my bias for this week is ideally based on this. Now, from what I can see, price has traded into this berry breaker without closing above it. So price has traded up into this berry breaker without closing above it. So what am I going to be looking for? Believe me not, I'm going to be looking for sales from the XY from this point into the low that it created last week. So this is my trade for the week. I'm going to be looking for sales on the XY, and it's going to be coming off from this route, from this level. Price has traded into this, but it has failed to close above it. So I'm going to be looking for sales from here into the low of this candle. This level is what I've all my drawn liquidity or area of interest or point of interest. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to come into for this week. So if I'm selling this spec, automatically things I'm going to be buying foreign currencies. I'm going to be buying foreign currencies. Now, which foreign currencies I'm going to be buying? So let's look at them one after the other. About this will be USD. From what I can see, GPUSD is bullish, but looking at this section of price from 28th of January till now, TXY is, as I said, GPUSD is bearish. But I said, if I'm selling DX, I'm going to be buying other foreign currencies, but I'm not going to choose this pair to buy because, for me, from what I'm seeing, it is currently heavy. This pair is actually one of the pairs I will not be looking to buy. Let's check Euro USD. Well, here it is. I think I'll be looking to buy this pair as at today if it gets to the point of which is what I mean by that. This is a low. Price took out the low, booked to the high, came back. So automatically this is our words. We have a bullish breaker right here. We have a bullish breaker, a low, be high, low, book to the upside. So this, we have a bullish breaker right here. So if price comes into this level of looking to buy USD into these highs, same I'm looking to sell the extra into those lows. So I'm looking to buy USD into these highs as well. So this is my anticipation for the week. I'm looking to buy USD from that level. Same thing DXY. Then we'll come for the US pair. What am I looking for? USD car. Yeah. I'll be looking to sell. Yeah. Looking to sell USD card. Put it on side. Hi. So looking to sell USD card. Refer me to this noise. The name tries to see H there. Swiss rock. Nothing for me on this one. No. So my eyes on to test. Here's the card. That's the first one. I'm looking to sell from this level. Let's go to the one out from frame. Let me give you a sneak peek of the things I think you pastor. Well, remember, this is a level drawn out on the day time frame, yes. So this is our part of return that are going to sell from, but currently, am I going to just be selling from that level? No. I have to zoom in into Quest to see which area Quest would likely tend toward respect. So from what I can see, I'll be anticipating first. So the tool is a really area if I'm interested in selling. See all these consecutive red candles, everything right here. That is going to be my trading idea. Selling from this level for USD card. For USD. I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be buying. It's cool to be from this level. Yeah, buying from this level. Right here. Buying from this level into. I'm going to buy from this level into desire. got this week, so that I'll be anticipating a rundown tool. I'm looking for continuation of sales on the X side. I'm not looking for buyers, I'm looking for sales because the local expansion to the downside is still so we are still in a bearish, so there's no need for me to go to the chart looking for buyers at all. So as it stands now, I'm going to be looking for sales on GXY, buys on Euro USD, and sales on USD card. So the two pair I think I'll be actively trading for the week is going to be Euro USD sell buys, USD card. I'm going to be looking for USD card sales, the new USD buys. So if I place a trade, I'm going to be sending it to the post on the channel so you can see it. Take a look at the post to see the result. If it goes in profits, we work with that. If it goes in loss, we work with that. Remember, we focus on the process rather than the outcomes. So that is all for now. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.